Hi everyone, I just want to show you really quickly how to go ahead and make a copy of the items in the folder. So when you at your writing shuffle templates, you can copy the whole folder and then you'll have these three files. And to make a copy of the writing shuffle template, it's I think something that most of you are used to doing, but the form is a little bit different. So when you open the writing shuffle template, it's pretty simple. You have your typical menu up here and you can go to File, Make a Copy, and you want to go ahead and copy the entire presentation. However, when you open the template for the feedback form, you do not see such a menu. You do see this place where you can request edit access, and that's not what you want to do, but lots of people will request edit access from me, and they won't get it because what you want is not to actually edit this form. You want your own form. So to do that, what you're going to do is right-click on this form while you're in the folder itself. So Control-click opens up this menu. You're going to click on Make a Copy, and Google will go ahead and make a copy, and it'll tell you where it's putting it. So if you can't find it, you can always go ahead and click on Recent, and it'll also show you what you've done recently. But I hope that's helpful, and I hope your students love their writing shuffle.